Hey everyone, what's going on? This time I'm back with another portfolio update on Trading212. I've been using this for about a week and a half, and I've got to admit I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's so far, I think, the best platform for trading at the moment. It's got a bunch of features that Freetrade doesn't currently have. So starting off with that, we've got a watch list. So if you're browsing stocks, for example, I could be on like London Stock Exchange, and let's say I'm looking at Royal Dutch Shell, and I want to add it to my watch list, add it there, and boom, it's there. So that is a really useful feature because I find that on Freetrade I tend to be exploring stocks, and then if there's like 4 or 5 stocks that I'm kind of interested in, and when it comes to my round of investing, I kind of forgotten what the name is, and I'm like, what was that company again? And it's kind of cumbersome. So yeah, it's really useful. Another good feature is it has price alerts. So for example, if you're only interested, so like DS Smith is at like 355, and you're looking at it and you're like, actually, I kind of want to invest around the 330 mark or the 340 mark, you can set a little price alert, and from there, when it reaches that price, you will get a notification. Or what's also quite useful is you could change your buy type. So instead of market, you could go to limit, and let's say I want 3 shares at 340, and I want this buy to expire at the end of the day, and I can go review, and I can see that I've got a limit buy. So when the share price hits £3.40, it will buy 3 shares. And the best of all, like, there's no fee for it. I know Freetrade would probably charge £1 for it, but there's no fee for it, which is awesome. The only caveat for this platform is that you have minimum order quantity. So for example, for DS Smith, you've got to buy a minimum of 3. But for example, let's say with New River REIT, and if you wanted to buy that, you have the minimum quantity of 5. I'm not sure what the logic is behind it. Is it a certain amount that you've got to pay for, etc.? So, okay, moving on to my portfolio. As you can see, I've got an ISA, and it's free as well. There's no fee. There's no monthly fee for it as well. So it's absolutely free. So a little one up on Freetrade. As you can see here, that I've got two companies that I've got a pending order on with this little symbol. Let's just dive into Barrett's for an example. Here I've got a limit buy. When the share price hits £6.30, it will buy 2 shares. So moving on to my actual portfolio, I've got Cloudflare. I've got 12 shares, average price of $19. That's £15.39 each, and I'm down 3.5% on this investment. Moving to Deutsche Telekom, I believe it's a German company. I have 2 shares in this at €15.28 each, and that works out about £13.52, and I'm up 1%. E.ON is an energy company. I have 2 shares in this. Average price at €8.90. That works out as £7.86, and I'm up 1.53%. New River REIT. I currently have 5 shares at £1.86 each, and I'm up 4.9%. I believe with this one, it has a quarterly dividend and an annual yield of around 10 to 11%, which is decent. Page Group is another one. I'm currently at a loss on this one. It's average price of £4.33. I have 6 shares, and I'm down 4p, which is nothing really. Last of all, I've got WPP. I've got 4 shares of this at £9.86 each, and I'm up 1.32%. So overall, I think. Oh, and another cool feature on Trading212 is that you've got about 1,800 stocks and 223 ETFs. So if I click on stocks, you have stocks from different exchanges, so not just London and New York. You've got the Paris Stock Exchange, Netherlands, Germany, Madrid, and the Swiss Stock Exchange. And obviously with the European ones, well, mainland Europe, I guess, the number of stocks on those exchanges are a lot lower. Overall, I think it is I wouldn't say it's as refined as Freetrade. I think I prefer the layout and the look on Freetrade. However, Trading212 has way more features that are useful for me, especially the free instant trades, and there's no fee on that, which is decent. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think on my investments. And if you're planning to try Trading212 out, use my referral link and you get a free share when you sign up. The same goes for Freetrade as well. Check the description. Like this video if you liked it. See you next time.